What are assets under management AUM fees? Have you ever wondered how financial advisors charge for their services? One common method is through assets under management fees. So, what exactly are these fees? Simply put, AUM fees are charges based on the total market value of the assets that financial advisors, wealth management firms, or investment funds manage for you. This means that the fee is a percentage of the money you have invested with them. For instance, if your advisor charges a 1% AUM fee and manages $500,000 of your investments, you would pay $5,000 annually. It is important to note that AUM represents the total value of all investments overseen by the advisor or firm. This can include mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, retirement accounts, and other assets. The value of these assets can change over time due to market performance, additional contributions, or withdrawals. Understanding AUM fees is especially important when planning for retirement. These fees can directly reduce the returns on your retirement savings. Since retirement planning often involves long-term investing, even a small percentage fee can add up to significant costs over time. When you choose an advisor or investment product, it is essential to evaluate the fee structure. AUM fees typically cover various services. These services include developing and adjusting your investment strategy based on your risk tolerance and retirement goals, selecting and managing your portfolio assets, and ongoing monitoring and rebalancing of your investments. However, it is important to keep in mind that AUM fees are not the only costs you might encounter. There may be additional expenses such as underlying fund expenses, transaction fees, or account maintenance fees. These extra costs can further impact the growth of your retirement savings. Therefore, it is advisable to discuss all potential costs with your advisor before making any decisions. AUM fees differ from flat fees, which are fixed amounts regardless of portfolio size. For retirement investors with larger portfolios, AUM fees are more common. On the other hand, flat fees might be more cost-effective for smaller portfolios or clients seeking limited services. In summary, AUM fees are a percentage-based charge on the total assets managed for you. They cover investment advisory and management services. Being aware of these fees helps you make informed decisions to minimize costs and maximize your savings over the long term.